Hello viewers, welcome. This video we're going to be doing something for the home, a little bit different than what we normally do. We're going to be doing some peach tree shopping, and we plan to grow a peach tree and get some free fruit. Here we're looking at the ultra dwarf Babcock peach, and this tree is medium sized. It can grow in a pot, and let's take a look at the tag. Right, and it says excellent in containers, medium-sized fruit, and it ripens in June. This is the most popular of the peach trees, and it seems to be pretty much sold out except for this last one in the store. Looking at the branches, they all look about the same. And the second most popular one, with just two remaining, is California Curl-Free Peach. This one is known to be resistant to peach leaf curl, has beautiful pink blossoms, and similar to Red Haven fruit, and ripens earlier. This one is the second most popular one, and just two left. This is a semi-dwarf because we're not looking for a very tall tree that's hard to pick fruit from. And this one is a planted tree. Now over on the right, we also have a bunch of peach trees. That doesn't seem to have much movement. These are the early Alberta peach, and we have a whole bunch of these. It seems like the least popular of them all. We don't know exactly why, just looking at it. But looking at it, it's also a semi-dwarf. The fruit is large, golden yellow of oblong shape, and basically it ripens in June to August. So now we need to choose a tree. Which one should we buy for the backyard? Well, we chose the first one. This is the ultra dwarf Babcock peach tree. We like the fact that it can be grown in a container in addition to planting it in the soil. Now this tree grows 5 feet to 8 feet tall, and importantly, it's self-fertile. You don't need another tree to have fruit. Now looking at the back, it has tips on how to plant this tree if you want to put it in the soil. And it ripens in June. So this is a tree from Pacific Groves. We'll be taking this tree home and planting in the backyard. We'll give periodic updates to show how successful we are. Keep in mind, these are bare fruit trees. They do not come with soil. So you need to ensure that the roots don't dry out. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please tap the thumbs up. But we'll be having more great videos to come. Please subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.